This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Excellent value for this twin villa home that is move-in ready. Brand new tile roof just completed. Very popular open floor plan with 2 BRS plus den and 2 baths that provides large living areas. New AC in 2022. Tile floors in main living areas with plus new carpeting in bedrooms. Lightly lived in and nicely painted. This home has a Social Lakes membership included that provides access to all community amenities including pay-as-you-play golf. Located in the highly desirable resort community of Colonial Country Club, which offers 18 holes of championship golf, remodeled clubhouse with bar and dining, fitness center, community pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and much more. This community benefits from a convenient location, high-quality amenities and moderate fee structure. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.